You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. How do you say it? It is a multinational, of course, so there's going to be different pronunciations depending on which country you consider. But it's originally French and headquartered in Paris, France. Total is how it's said in French, okay? Total énergie. In French, yes, that's the plural, but the es at the end are silent because it's French. Total énergie is how it's said in France, so total énergie. Total energy, although in English, of course, many pronounce it as total energies, which is fine too. And I think they've decided on that name because it can be said in different languages as well. So doesn't necessarily need to be pronounced the French way. But if you want to know, total energy or total energies. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.